it says do not enter, so looks like, oh man.
Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
What's going on? So we are about 1.2 miles away from our exit here, 152B. North 234 to Manassas. That's where we're going. And don't we just all love Virginia traffic? Oh my gosh. It's not so bad this morning though, but it's stupid. That's like, for lack of a better term, that's exactly what it is. It's stupid. So we're gonna take 234 north to Manassas. Let's see here. And it's not gonna be this one, it's gonna be 152B, the exit. So this is A. If you take this exit, then, you know, I'd pretty much be screwed. So we got a weigh station in a mile. Well, we don't, they do. All right, we're gonna come here, turn on our jakes, starting now. And then get her down to 25. Turn off the jakes. Put it into gear, or downshift I should say. And we are good to go, baby. And then we still have about 20 miles left, so we're gonna be local the rest of the way. Not looking forward to it, honestly. So, all right, let's turn on our left blinker. And wow, there's no vehicles. Nice. So we're just gonna go on and come on over to stay in the right lane for now. And then maybe a little along the way down the road, we'll get into the middle lane. Sometimes, especially in cities, you know, riding local, just ride the middle lane really. Through traffic, you know, stay in the middle lane because you got people making right-hand turns, you got people making the middle lane, you're just gonna go straight, you know what I'm saying? So that being said, there's a Waffle House around here. I just saw it. So if you guys are in the mood for Waffle House, go on and get you some, baby. All right, so we're gonna make this right up here in about half a mile, 28 south to US 17. So about a quarter mile. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn our blinker on. And my Google Maps went off, so there's that. Alright, down to 25 miles an hour. This little loop-de-loop and then make a left onto Residency Road. All right, so now that we're done with the loop-de-loop, we're gonna go ahead and go into the left lane here, all the way to the left lane. And then we're gonna make a left on Residency Road. So would that be, nope, it's gonna be after this light here. I'm sure it's not going to be where all those trucks are turning at. I'm sure it is going to be where those trucks are turning at because this is Pennsylvania Avenue. And so Yep, Residency Road, right up there. Yep. All right, so we got a blinking yellow light, so we're going to yield to oncoming traffic, which seems to be coming now. Looks like I'll be waiting. All right, let's go on, and there's one more car. Well, there you go. Turned red. I think I should. How's the sound? Is the sound quality better? I think the sound quality should be better. I got this recorder of some sort, so the audio should definitely be better. That's a nice truck. And all right, we are gonna get the green light, I'm pretty sure. Yep. All right. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So then we're gonna keep going straight down this road, and then we should be at our shipper. All right, so we're gonna keep going straight. We're gonna make this right up here at the end. Yep, we're gonna make this right at the end here where there is a nice little speed bump, so we're gonna slow down quite a bit here. Grind it till you find it, baby. There's more speed bumps here. And I hope I'm supposed to make a right up there on Piper Lane. All right, we're gonna take this nice and slow because there's a lot of potholes here. And here comes one big one. Well, bigger. All right. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Nice. All right, then we're gonna go up to Piper Lane up here. Hopefully today. This doesn't look like anywhere I need to be. And then we're gonna make it right. It looks like this thing sent me through like the business of it when I could have just made a left on Piper Lane, but it actually makes it just that much easier for me. To make a right turn into this place instead of a left turn. All right, and we do gotta get there on tarp. I had to use the 9-foot tarps for this load. A little shortcut, I guess. All right. Gosh darn it, I don't remember the name of this place. Uh-oh. That's not good. Not sure exactly what I'm looking for because I don't remember the name. I guess I shifted too early, but it's okay. We're at about 1,000 now. All right, so let's see. Entrance should be coming up here in about a quarter mile. And about, let's turn this down. And guess what? Because I am going to a receiver, it never fails that I have to freaking pee. Oh my goodness. Never fails. never fails. This would not be the place. Alright, let's see where the shipping office is at. Would it be through here? No, that says do not enter, so... Uh-oh. Looks like... Oh, man. Looks like there would be another entrance up here. If not, I gotta go around. And we do not want to go around. Yup. Alright. Looks like I will have to be going around. Well, there that goes. Alright, so now we're gonna come back onto Residency Road. They should really make these signs bigger, man. I'm gonna keep whining and moaning and groaning about this stuff. Alright, we're gonna make this right up here and go around the same way. And that was the entrance where it said do not enter. Oh, I screwed that up. All right, so back down this road we go. Back down this road. Alright, so now we're gonna do this again. And let's not get it wrong this time. How about that? And click that here. And where it says, what was the name of it? Hard something. Hardwood, hard something. We're gonna do this again, except we're gonna go in where it says do not enter, but maybe it's to the back. And let's see. All right, so we're gonna turn our right blinker on here. And we're gonna make this, not this, right? There it is. All right, we're gonna make this right up here. And that's the sign that I saw right there that says do not, oh, next one. Okay. That sign says do not enter, but I'm guessing you gotta go all the way around. Homestead. There we go. Alright, then we're gonna come to shipping and receiving. Once this good old Civic moves out of the way. And this is where we need to be. Okay. All right. Let's go on and get in here. We're gonna make this left here. All right, and then let's go on and check in somewhere. Let's find somewhere to stage, I guess. How about I stay right here? Oh, right up there. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, holla for the dollar, baby. Peace out.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on